and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of silver has moved in the last week and how the price of silver can move in the next week. See, what you have to look at the price of silver, that silver mostly trade in a particular zone for quite some time, and then when it breaks out, that is where it makes a sharp upside and then form again a range, and when it breaks upside or downside, a sharp fall we have seen as well as rise. If you look at this particular chart, a swing is forming, okay, and swing has formed at a level of 17.5. that you have to keep this in mind. If the price comes close to this particular level, we can see a bounce back can come, because this is the level where it is, which is a strong support, so chances can be high we can see a bounce back can come. Okay, and now if you look at this particular pattern is forming, as you can see looking at this particular chart, chances are very high if this level sustain, a probability is there we can see it can move further upside, and yes, it can move sustain because there is a pattern, clear pattern is forming and there is overall upside. Okay, chances will be high that suppose if this level sustain, we can see it can go towards a level of $25.867. okay, and once it sustain above this level, it can cross a level of around $26.300. okay, because 25.867 is already a weak resistance, so chances of going further high is there, and a probability is there it can cross a level of $26.300 and can go towards a level of $26.828. and once it sustain above this level, it can touch a high of around $27, which is this particular zone high, and once it sustain above this particular zone high, a probability of going further upside is there. Okay, as why we have seen there is a sharp upside, because the CPI data has come, okay, and a probability was there that it can go further high. As you have seen, the gold price also has went up. Okay, now before we move ahead and explain you where the price of silver can go in the next week, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link I have given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain, so the next support we can see coming very close to it at a level of around $25.357, and once it moves below this particular zone, chance of going towards its next support at a level of 24.940. okay, and once the price fall below that particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of $24.611 to a level of 24.126. okay, and if the price fall below that particular level, then we can see a level of $23.808, and from there we can see a level of 23.417. Suppose if the price fall below that particular level, it can move further low, and a probability of touching $23.031 is there, and once it fall below that level, then we can see it can move further down. Okay, keep that in mind that once started making a swing, then only we can see it can move further low, because there is a support which is already a weak support at a level of 25.237, and from there we can see a level of 24.775, which is also a weak support, and a strong support coming at around $24.611. so bounce back can come from this particular level, but if it goes below that level, chances of touching $23.729 is there, and from there we can see level of $23.108. okay, and if the price fall below that level, then we can see it can move further low. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I have given the mail IDs in the description. Okay, now if you look at this particular trend, okay, see why, because there is a continuous upside and a U pattern is also forming. Okay, and if you have any doubt regarding, or you want to take my workshop, you can mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.